In today's video, I'm super excited to share this awesome indicator on TradingView that, in my opinion, is hands down the best trend indicator available on the platform as of today I'm recording this video. To add this gem to your chart, just head over to the indicators, type in snake trend, and voila! It is a free indicator from the honest cowboy. Thanks to him, by the way. But before getting into the nitty-gritty, please just smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. And by turning on the notification bell, you're going to be the first to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on a daily basis. You're welcome. All right, so what makes this indicator stand out? It is a trend identifier and it goes beyond your regular moving averages. This bad boy looks at multiple time frames, gathering info from different perspectives to give you a comprehensive view. Perfect for the top-down analysis that many traders swear by. Let me break it down for you. It uses 6 simple moving averages from various time frames: 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 18 hours, and 1 day. It then checks if they're feeling bullish or bearish and colors the snake accordingly, which is this line here. Green with a glow, bullish vibes all around. Red with a glow, time to think bearish. Now the real magic happens when you see that glow. If all moving averages on higher time frames are on the same page, it's like market shouting, "Hey, I'm trending." However, watch out for those small blue or magenta lines. They could signal a trend change on just one time frame. Quick heads up though, this is not a buy-sell signal indicator. It's more like your trend spotting sidekick. So when you see that green snake with a green glow, it's a solid hint that you're in an uptrend. Perfect time to plan those entries on the pullbacks. Still struggling with budget and you want to trade big numbers? Well, unlock your trading potential with FundedNext, the prop trading firm that truly understands your success in paramount. Here's why joining us is a game changer. Firstly, enjoy an unparalleled 15% profit share, a testament to our commitment to rewarding our hard work and success. Unlike other prop firms, FundedNext delivers on the promise of the world's best payout bonuses. Bid farewell to the stress of tight deadlines. With FundedNext, there's no time limit on most challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and unleash your full potential. True trading excellence requires focus and a stress-free environment. Our unique approach to drawdown calculations sets us apart. FundedNext calculates the maximum daily drawdowns based on your account balance, ensuring a fair and reliable assessment of your trading performance. We are dedicated to being the world's most reliable prop firm, experiencing the best trading conditions in the industry with raw spreads, including in swap-free accounts and the lowest commissions. Just $3 per round lot on forex pairs and commodities and 0% per round lot on indices. Maximize your profit potentials with our competitive pricing. At FundedNext, you're not just a trader, you're part of a family. Benefit from pro support team, experienced professionals committed to assisting you every step of the way. Your success is our focus, and personalized guidance is a cornerstone of your trading journey. Choose FundedNext today, elevate your trading experience. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Join us and unlock your trading potential. FundedNext, where your success matters. Don't hesitate to click and sign up on FundedNext down in the description or above here. This link is exclusively tailored by FundedNext for Income Nomad channel subscribers, and believe me, you're gonna be surprised. Alright, back to the tutorial. Similarly, a red snake with a red glow, downward trend alert. Get ready for those short positions on pullbacks. Just remember, don't hit that buy-sell button solely based on color changes. Use it smartly to align with the trend. And if you're looking for a perfect strategy to mix it up with this trend detector indicator, don't worry, just watch the video until the end and I have a surprise for you. But before that, I want to tell you something else. I've got some exciting news for you. Bybit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest present fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? Bybit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on Bybit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do that, by the way. Plus, this is what I promise. As you can see these videos and playlists on your screen, just check them out, mix them with all knowledge you've gathered from this video, and you're gonna get back to me and thank me for that. Until next time, happy trading, folks.